नेहरू स्थित तिलक पब्लिक स्कूल का 20वां वार्षिक खेल एवं सांस्कृतिक दिवस पूरे उत्साह और गरिमामय वातावरण में संपन्न हुआ। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत मुख्य अतिथियों के आगमन, दीप प्रज्वलन और प्रार्थना गीत से हुई। इसके बाद आकर्षक मार्च पास्ट, मशाल प्रज्वलन और शपथ ग्रहण के साथ खेल दिवस की औपचारिक घोषणा की गई। उद्घाटन सांस्कृतिक प्रस्तुतियों ने दर्शकों का मन मोह लिया। तिलक ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस के निदेशक डॉक्टर अजीत कुरुप ने स्वागत भाषण में विद्यार्थियों को आत्मविश्वास और अनुशासन के साथ आगे बढ़ने का संदेश दिया। पूर्व प्राथमिक से कक्षा 12वीं तक के विद्यार्थियों ने विभिन्न खेल प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लेकर अपनी फुर्ती, टीम भावना और खेल कौशल का उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन किया। सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमों में हॉकी ड्रिल, पोम्पो नृत्य, साड़ी ड्रिल और फुटबॉल डांस विशेष आकर्षण रहे, जिन्हें दर्शकों की खूब सराहना मिली। कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि पूर्व राष्ट्रीय चैंपियन और प्रसिद्ध खिलाड़ी सबीनो फर्नांडिस ने खेलों के महत्व पर प्रकाश डालते हुए विद्यार्थियों को अनुशासन, मेहनत और ईमानदारी के साथ लक्ष्य हासिल करने के लिए प्रेरित किया। विद्यालय की प्राचार्या भुवनेश्वरी राजशेखर ने वार्षिक रिपोर्ट प्रस्तुत करते हुए स्कूल की शैक्षणिक एवं सह पाठ्यक्रम उपलब्धियों की जानकारी दी और विद्यार्थियों के प्रयासों की सराहना की। इसके बाद बोर्ड परीक्षा के टॉपर्स और कक्षा स्तर के मेधावी विद्यार्थियों को पुरस्कार देकर सम्मानित किया गया। कराटे, योग और स्केटिंग की प्रस्तुतियों ने कार्यक्रम को और भी जीवंत बना दिया। समारोह का समापन धन्यवाद ज्ञापन और राष्ट्रीय गीत के साथ हुआ।
Toppers in terms of their academics with the kind of academic rigor which we try to introduce, but also their kids who are mentally strong. Whatever difficulty they face, they are able to come out of it and they are able to overcome it. That's why Tilak Education Society has always believed in the holistic development.
Today's events were organized so well, and the way all the children perform, whether it be sports or the cultural program, everything was so beautifully coordinated and wonderfully exploited. Secondly, starting from the pre-primary to the seniors, every performances in the cultural program was superb. There are no words to describe the program.
How would you impressed with the performance of the students?
Superb. Be it academics or in sports, I think by the annual report what I listened to and I saw on the screen, everything is, all the school is doing very well. All the three schools are doing very, very well.
What message you want to give to the students as well as parents?
Parents, please support your children. You are already getting the result because of the staff, the members which the school has. So please support your students, and the students will keep on showing results. And I only hope they keep on growing faster and faster.
Yes, Namaskar. This is the 20th annual Sports and Cultural Day. It is with immense pleasure that all 650 students have participated in various events. These events were for pre-primary, nursery class till class 12. It was spread for over 1 week when we had the races, the quarterfinals, the semi-finals, and today we have the finals for all the races from nursery to 12th standard. In between we had the cultural items which brought out color, splendor and beauty to our event. This program was aimed to inculcate true spirit of sportsmanship and also present the grandeur of our body, mind and spirit unison, what we call the all-round development. This has been the center of our education system, where we are working towards nurturing the all-round development of our students. Through this event, we are aiming to nurture students strong both physically and mentally. I thank our school management, our director, Dr. Ajit Kurup, who has been a visionary leader, who has given us all support and guidance to make this event possible. My thanks goes to the vice principal, my coordinators, teachers, sports coaches and the choreographer who have spent weeks and days to make this event a great possible. Thanks to the parents for your continuous support and enthusiasm. Your presence this evening made this day even more memorable. Thank you all. Looking forward to yet another event and yet another year of fulfilled growth and enrichment. Thank you all.
Today we are delighted to celebrate our 20th annual Sports and Cultural Day, a day that honors the talent, teamwork and spirit of the healthy competition. Events like this are not only about medals, trophies and performances. It builds the confidence, creativity, leadership of the students. Our students have worked incredibly hard, and I am so proud of all the students who took part, whether it is on the stage or on the track or behind the scenes. None of this would have been possible without the support of the management, parents, teachers and staff. And their encouragement and support made this event memorable for all of us.
What message you want to give to the students?
Yeah, I would like to give the message to the students that yes, the participation only matters. It is not about winning or losing the game. See, the sports and culture, these two aspects of the students is very important in their life, I feel, and this will definitely help them